Co-marketing is an effective strategy for accelerating the adoption of safer, lower-emission fleet vehicles. It combines the network capabilities of Clean Cities Coalition partners and industry suppliers. This initiative creates opportunities for collaboration and is supported by a variety of resources. These resources include the Fleet Wiki knowledge base, which provides fleet professionals with comprehensive data on regulations, incentives, and the total cost of ownership of advanced technologies. The Fleet Leads database marketing platform, a tool designed for targeted marketing efforts within the fleet industry. And Fleet Management Weekly, a trusted source of industry news and research. This collaborative effort represents a forward-thinking approach for accelerating the transition to safer, low-emission fleet vehicles. In 2023, global emissions reached an unprecedented high of 40 billion tons. Within the United States, the transportation sector contributed to 28.5% of these emissions. The total number of on-road vehicles in the U.S. was reported to be 286 million. Vehicle sales in the U.S. for the year amounted to 15.5 million, with electric vehicle sales accounting for 1.19 million of this total. Truck sales in the U.S. reached 507,000, with electric truck sales making up 10,000 of this figure. This data underscores the scale of the challenge we face in matching our solutions to the magnitude of environmental problems. Government data from 2021 show a significant rise in fatalities involving both trucks and passenger vehicles, with increases ranging from 17% to 49% over the past decade. Specifically, in 2021, there were more than 5,700 deaths attributed to large truck crashes, marking an 18% increase compared to 2020. The distribution of these fatalities is as follows. 16% were truck occupants, 68% were occupants of passenger vehicles, and 15% were pedestrians and cyclists. This data underscores the importance of adopting technologies aimed at enhancing driver safety across all vehicle types. Embrace a comprehensive strategy and leave no technology behind that improves safety and emissions. Too often, financial considerations alone drive decisions on vehicle upgrades and replacements. It's crucial to educate fleets about the safety risks and environmental impacts associated with the vehicles they manage. The lack of data for measuring the benefits of emissions and safety technologies presents a significant challenge for fleet administrators in making investment decisions. Focus on the purchase decision. Progress in adopting new or upgraded technologies is achieved one decision at a time. According to the findings from a National Fleet Administrator survey, purchase decisions require reliable data on regulations, incentives, and the total cost of ownership of the technology being evaluated. This data, however, is difficult to access, as it is dispersed across various supplier sites, government pages, trade association websites, and media portals. Fleet managers reported a need for a centralized hub that offers tools such as calculators, resource libraries, supplier directories, and discussion forums. Responding to this research, Fleet Wiki has been developed as a trusted knowledge base for fleet professionals. It focuses on providing fleet administrators with trusted data on environmentally friendly technologies that minimize GHG emissions, reduce fuel consumption, and improve driver safety. Supplier profiles form the foundation of the Fleet Wiki platform. Here, suppliers are defined as manufacturers, consultants, governments, agencies, and associations. Each profile features a succinct description at the top, along with updates on news and events. By clicking the Show More button, users can access detailed information about the supplier's products and services, as well as direct links to their website and social media platforms, their resource library, and a Contact Us feature for direct communication. Co-marketing is the difference maker. For instance, when ChargePoint places the Fleet Wiki icon on their customer portal, fleets registering with their zip code are linked to their local Clean Cities Coalition partner. This example showcases ChargePoint's product line, alongside federal and state incentives and rebates from local utility companies in Michigan. A fleet operator from New Haven, Connecticut, would see their respective incentives for ChargePoint products. This unique co-marketing feature consolidates everything: regulations, incentives, and total cost of ownership in one place, enabling fleets to make informed purchasing decisions. Co-marketing is a strategy that combines the networks of suppliers and Clean Cities Coalition partners to expand visibility and engagement within the fleet community. Within this framework, the supplier network includes 500 members listed in the FleetWiki supplier directories. When a supplier invites a fleet administrator to sign up at fleetwiki.net, an access code prominently displays their profile at the top of the homepage. Additionally, the Clean Cities Network comprises 75 local coalition partners. Registering on fleetwiki.net with their zip code allows fleet administrators to have their local Clean Cities Coalition partner profile displayed side by side with their supplier profile. To further facilitate the engagement of fleet professionals with fleetwiki.net, a variety of tools are provided. These tools include website and social media icons that can be integrated into various digital platforms, newsletter and email links for direct communication, and QR codes for easy access with smartphones. Collectively, these tools aim to simplify the outreach process, making it more efficient and effective in building a connected, informed community around fleetwiki.net. For over 2 decades, Fleet Leads has been a cornerstone in driving new customer acquisitions for industry leaders within the fleet sector. This database marketing platform is integrated into the FleetWiki website, offering access to over 750,000 comprehensive records of fleet administrators operating 2 or more vehicles. Notably, 615,000 of these records are located within the territories of local Clean Cities coalitions. These records are essential for supporting both supplier and Clean Cities co-marketing efforts. Records can be selected and downloaded based on various criteria, such as fleet size, vehicle type, and geographic location. They can be imported into customer relationship management applications like Salesforce.com, added to newsletters, conference and meeting lists, or shared with sales reps and channel partners. Additionally, Fleet Leads shares records with Fleet Management Weekly for co-marketing and joint supplier Clean Cities initiatives conducted on their behalf. You do not need a subscription to update your profile. To start, use the following links for registration. Clean Cities Coalition partners can register at fleetwiki.net/cc-register, and industry suppliers at fleetwiki.net/supplier-register. Once registered, to update your profile, click on Quick Start for Suppliers, located at the top of the homepage, and follow the accompanying video tutorial. After completing your registration, subscribe by clicking on your profile icon and then select Company Plan. A video tutorial is available to guide you through this process as well. The Greater New Haven Clean Cities Coalition is led by Paul Vessel, who brings a wealth of knowledge and experience in legislative advocacy, economic development, community engagement, and the cultivation of public-private partnerships. As the director, he plays a pivotal role in steering the coalition toward achieving Connecticut's transition to zero and low-emission fleet vehicles. A key member of the support team, Ed Pierce, serves as the Fleet Marketing Services Director at FMW Brand Acceleration. His responsibilities extend to being the Director of Stakeholder Relations at Inertia, Marketing plus Design. Pierce's involvement underscores the strategic importance of marketing and stakeholder relations in the realm of fleet management. Nick Havel founded Havel Consultants, a firm that has been integral to market research in the transportation industry since its inception in 1989. Under his leadership, Havel Consultants launched the multi-client study series titled the DOE-EPA Regulated Commercial Fleet Market Forecast, as well as Fleet Leads in 2000 and FleetWiki in 2016. Havel's contributions to the industry through these initiatives have been invaluable, offering comprehensive marketing services to professionals involved in fleet management. The current trends in GHG emissions and driver safety are leading us toward an uncertain future. Innovative, new approaches must be taken to address these challenges. One effective solution lies in ensuring that potential buyers are well informed with all the necessary facts and figures to justify the investment in cleaner and safer technologies. A wiki-style knowledge base has proven to be an effective platform for delivering this crucial information. However, the success of a wiki-style website hinges on active support and editorial contributions from its users. It is imperative for both Clean Cities and the supplier community to fully participate. This collective effort is essential to enable fleets to conduct a thorough evaluation of the regulatory landscape, incentives, and the total cost of ownership for the technologies they are considering. Effective participation involves users subscribing to and actively contributing to the platform. It is equally important to involve co-marketing partners and seek their active participation. Looking forward, the next steps involve securing the support of suppliers and Clean Cities Coalition partners. Additionally, the establishment of a work group is recommended to coordinate the implementation of these strategies. Such an organized approach is pivotal in bridging the information gaps that impede progress. By embracing this co-marketing strategy, the combined networks of suppliers and Clean Cities will significantly enhance outreach efforts to the broader fleet community, thereby ensuring a meaningful impact.